everyone, my name is Sahana and I am from SJKT Sungai Topawang 2 ID. Today I am going to teach you how to make tuna sandwich. Now I am going to show you the ingredients. We need bread, we need butter, we need pepper and salt, mayonnaise, tuna and chopped onions. Now I'll show you how to prepare the tuna. First we need a clean bowl. Now we need to put all the tuna inside. And then we need to put the onions. Now we need to put the mayonnaise. Now we need pepper and salt. Then mix it up. Okay, now we are going to do the bread. Now we take our bread and we take our butter and put it on our bread. So, this is a very easy recipe. My mother and me always does this at tea time. Okay, after we finish, we are going to add the tuna in this bread. Make sure put it evenly. Okay, after that we are going to put the bread in both sides. It's ready. Let's try this out. It is yummy. Okay, thanks for watching.